Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can adjust an image's opacity using CSS by implementing the opacity property and assigning a value from 0.0 to 1.0. The lower the value you assign, the more transparent your image. To adjust the opacity for specific images, you need to name your images using the ID selector as discussed in Chapter 14. Our on-screen example shows our style tags, the ID for trans, which we named the second picture on our page, the opacity property set to 0.5 or 50% will cause your browser to display the regular image and the image with the ID trans that is set to 50% opacity.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.